Today we'll be making a dessert which is called fried milk. It's very easy, simple, and very tasty as well. So keep watching until the end. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is from Chi. How is quarantine going at your place? And how are you keeping yourself busy? This is the best time to have a quality time with your family and loved one. For that, I'm gonna show you one simple dessert with basic ingredients where you will get all the ingredients at home, or if not, you can get in your nearest shop or supermarket. All ingredients we'll be using today, it's gonna be in two parts. The frying one I'll show you later, but for this one, for setting, we'll be using corn flour. Any brand is fine, and we are using condensed milk, and we'll use water, and we'll use a milk. Make sure you're using a full fat milk. Let's check out how we'll make. With other thing, line your bowl like this. If you have a proper mold at home, it's you can use that one. So add some oil. Just grease the side. Don't put too much oil, so that when we put the mixture, it will not stick. And then keep aside. Take one saucepan. Any kind of saucepan is fine, and you can use this kinds of measuring cup for measuring. If you don't want to use this one, if you have a weighing scale, you can use that. That is more better, but I don't have for now, so I'll use the cup. I will share all the recipe in the description box. So we'll be using 400 ml of milk, and water we'll use 120 ml. Condensed milk, half cup. Scrape everything. Don't waste it. I will teach you guys a cost control over here. Add 1/3 cup corn flour and mix everything together. And you can cook this until it becomes a thick paste, or else the corn flour will start cooking up and even burn. Once the milk gets hot, you can reduce the temperature and keep on mixing. I can feel that it started thickening. Once it thickens, use a spatula. You can transfer in your prepared container. You can level this up. Now this is done. You can keep in the chiller for minimum around 1.5 or 2 hours it will take. Once it is set, you can take it out and you can fry. So I'll rest this in my chiller and we'll see you then. So for frying, we'll be using baking powder, corn flour again, and all-purpose flour. For the crunchy, we will use breadcrumbs. I'm using this brand. If you cannot find it anywhere else, you can make breadcrumbs at home as well. It is very easy and simple. I haven't uploaded a video for that, but you can check out other people. It's very easy.
No, checking your YouTube on
That was entertaining. Okay, I will make it in the future, but for now just buy it or browse someone else's YouTube and check. It is supposed to be like this. It has it should have a crumbly texture like this. If it is too fine, it will affect in your crunchy. If you can't make it, or if you doesn't find breadcrumbs, you can just omit this one and just make it with all the rest ingredients. So it is fine, but if you have a breadcrumbs, it tastes more better. And one will be what is this called?
what is it? The
Mixture.
coating.
Yeah. Once it is set, and then we'll take out and cut, and after it we'll fry. So for that, let's prepare our mixture. Baking powder, flour, half cup. Corn flour, 1/4 cup. Water. Mix this all together. We already greased the oil, it will not stick. And then you can flip. So take your knife and you can cut. Okay, then add this in your mixture. Take a fork, put in your crumbs and put for frying. Use the temperature when if you think that it is getting too hot. It's golden brown. You can take it off and put in a napkin. Fry all of this and I'll come back. Condensed milk. Ta-da! It's done! We did it! Now you can enjoy with your family. You can eat crunchy in outside, soft in inside. It has a milky texture. How crunchy is this? How is the texture inside? So dip in your milkmaid and eat. So smooth, crunchy. So good. Can you hear the crunchy sound?
Yes.
Wish I can give you right now here. It's so good. I think I can finish all of this. It is not that sweet. If you think that the sweet is less, on the side condensed milk, it will balance the sweetness. It is creamy. It is fried in the oil, so it looks like it's gonna be very oily, but it is not. Taste is amazing. Today I have a friend, so I will enjoy with her. I'll call her and I'll let her taste, and she will tell you how it is. It's done! Yeah! So this my co-worker and my lovely roommate. So her name is Baby.
Hi everyone. So awkward. This is my first time on YouTube.
So she's gonna taste the dessert and she will give the rating. It is fried milk.
This looks nice, Pam.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're supposed to dip it like this.
Yes. And then
Can you hear the sound? See, I don't expect this to be soft inside like this because outside is so crunchy. So I thought inside is like a bit dry, but this is nice, Pam.
so happy.
Also, this is not too sweet. I like this, Pam. You said I need to give rate.
Yes. Please give an honest rate.
Okay.
Like it's not like
If I said this is 10 out of 10, the viewers will say, no, it's
not. Everyone is no, it's cheating.
it's cheating. So I will give you 9.9
9
out of 10.
Thank you.
I will make this with my family at home.
Thank you. And you guys also, since my friend said it's very nice, I hope you guys will enjoy as well. Please try at home in this quarantine time. Since you are with your families and you cannot go outside, try at home. And please let me know how it tastes in the comment section. And please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to give a like button and share with your family.
See, I cannot stop eating.
We're gonna enjoy this and have fun chatting, you know, girls Guys, please keep on watching my video. I'll surprise you with another dessert. A little bit similar, like, I'm not sure. I won't say.
I can't wait to taste it also.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.